Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Dudan bin Adriniwan. Today I will present about my assignment. There is penilaian berterusan alternatif tahap 3 and the title is the series voltage regulator. Okay, for the introduction, we will talk about what is a series voltage regulator. A series voltage regulator uses a variable element placed in series with the load. By changing the resistor of that series element, the voltage drop across it can be changed and the voltage across the load remains constant. Series voltage regulator transistor connection is connected in series with the load. For the material and method that being used in this assignment, for the assignment we must suggest the value for the every component. So this is a value that I suggested. For the resistor 1, there is a value 823.41 ohm, and resistor 2 is 900 ohm. Resistor 3 is 965 ohm. Resistor 4 is 75 ohm, and next is the Zener diode that been set to 4.7 volt, and then we use transistor NPN. And we use also operational amplifier diode. For the apparatus used in this assignment, we use a DC power supply and also multimeter to measure the output, and also a breadboard. For the Tinkercad connection and also the procedure, we proceed to the Tinkercad website. Okay, this is the connection of the Tinkercad. For first, we set the power supply, positive and negative we set, and also we set the operational amplifier volt. That is 15 volt for the positive 15 and also negative 15 volt. And for the negative, we input at the pin number 4. And for the another pin for the positive 15, we put on the pin 7. For the pin 2, we connected with the resistor R1 and R2. R2 is we connect to the ground, and the R1 we connected to the pin transistor. For the another one, we connected R1 with the R load, and R load been connected with the ground. For the another pin, that is pin 3, that we connected to the Zener diode, and Zener diode is connected to the ground, and also is series with the R3, and it connected to the power supply, and also it connected to the pin C of the transistor. For pin 6 of the operational amplifier, we connected to the pin B of the transistor. So for the multimeter, we been set at the for the VL is at load, and also Vout we set to the R1 and also R2, and like this. So both of this voltage is same. For the procedure of this assignment is, first we start the simulation. Okay, first this is the voltage output for the first load resistor, that is 10 ohm. We must be set to the 20 ohm for the second value, 40 ohm for the fourth value, for the third value, and 15 volt for the fourth value. So after we set the RL, and we record the Vout of the circuit. So this is the procedure. So next, we back to the slide. After procedure, okay. Then after we do the procedure, and this is the result. When we set to the 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 40 ohm, and 50 ohm, and this is what we got. That is almost near at the 9 volt, like in the discussion of in the report that we calculate that there is a 9 volt. For the discussion for this assignment, in this discussion we got the value of the Vout is remain constant nearly at 9 volt, although the resistance is being changed. 9 volt is what we derive in the report, and we put the value and we get also 9 volt. So they are the same as the simulation and calculation value. This is because of the feedback loop, as it keeps the output voltage stable under all sorts of perturbation, including variation in input voltage and load resistance. By changing the resistance of the series element, the voltage drop across it can be varied to ensure that the voltage across the load remain constant. In the circuit, the OM is used as a comparator. It compares the part of the output voltage obtained from the potential divider circuit as a feedback with the reference voltage generated by the Zener diode. The output of the OM drives the series pass transistor Q1. If there is any change in input voltage, the control signal from OM control the conduction of the transistor Q1. Then the output voltage is maintained at a constant level. For the conclusion for this project, in conclusion from the experiment, I know how to design a series voltage regulator using OM in Tinkercad with a multiply of the value of the load resistor RL. Finally, all voltage regulator configuration output voltage, Zener voltage and transistor voltage and load resistor have been analyzed value as in the result and discussion section in the report that we made. The end, and thank you.